Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, I'm Eric Blackmon of Eric Blackmon Guitar. Eric Blackmon Guitar YouTube was conceived and created in December 2012. I thank God and my viewers that today the channel has reached 400,000 subscribers. So far, I have posted over 3,500 lessons and videos on instruments that I play and am learning to play. Using the playlist links in this video and the video description, you can see how the channel has evolved year to year from 2013 to the present. It has been an amazing ride, but there's much, much more to come. Thanks for watching Eric Blackmon Guitar.